Hi, this is Idan from firesafekit.com. Today I'm doing a job in Tarzana, California. This house has 3 acres of land and it's 11,000 square foot building. I installed the stage 3 fire safe kit on the house, which consists of the rooftop sprinkler, the tripod sprinkler, and the 2-inch fire hose. So here you see the rooftop sprinkler, which is a 2-inch hose that goes to a 1.25-inch impact sprinkler. The rooftop sprinkler sprays 180 foot in diameter. This is the fire hose. It can spray 90 foot away. It's a 2-inch diameter hose with a fire nozzle. The impact tripod sprinkler that you saw on the ground can spray 130 foot in diameter. It's a 1-inch pipe that supplies it, and it's also a 1-inch sprinkler. So the 3 of these together completely wet the whole area of the house, and even the air was very humid when you were running all 3 of them. The water pump had no problem giving enough pressure to all 3 at the same time. And so I'm very confident that if a fire did come near this house, it would not be able to burn the house, because there's just so many different things that you could fight the fire with. Or if you want to evacuate your house, you can leave the rooftop sprinkler and the tripod sprinkler on and leave, and they would both still work really well. This house had a lot of brush. There's no neighbors or anything, so you could literally walk from the backyard all the way to Pacific Palisades from here. So it was a really good candidate for this type of system, and I'm really glad I was able to help these people out and familiarize with the system so they could be confident and set it up by themselves. This kit is about $2,200, and I have it in stock. Order online. Thank you.